I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, welcome back to another exciting edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today we're going to do a review of Harbor Freight's $8.99 Forstner bit set. It comes 7 pieces, a 1/4 inch, 3/8, what is that? 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4 inch, 7/8, and a 1 inch bit. It doesn't really look like big enough for a 1 inch bit, but it is. 1/4 inch shanks on the 1/4 inch and the 3/8, and then 3/8 inch shanks on all the others. So let's cut this out of the packaging and mount some of these bits in the drill press and see how well they drill. Okay, I've got the 1/4 inch bit chucked up here. I got a piece of pine, about 1 1/4 inch thick. We're going to drill into a little bit, see how well this one does, and we'll do all the others. Okay, so I completed all the drilling in my test piece of pine here. This is for the Harbor Freight 7-piece Forstner bit set for $8.99. The holes themselves come out pretty good. The bottoms look pretty good. Sides are nice and straight. I don't see any gouging around the edges really. Looks really clean and nice. So they actually came sharpened, which is sometimes what they complain, they weren't too sharp. Now you can even see they went to a little knot in this one here. I measured each one of the bits with my mic, and they're 1 inch is 988, 7/8 is 883, the 3/4 is 756, the 5/8 is at 630, 1 inch or 1/2 inch is at 495, 3/8 is 386, and 1/4 inch is 258. They're not dead on, but they're close enough for woodworking. I couldn't measure the inside diameters because my calipers are missing at the moment, but I did take some dowel rods and some other drill bits, spade bits, and put them in the holes. And other spade bits fit nice and tight in each hole, almost like a perfect fit. A 7-inch dowel rod was really tight in this one. 3/8 was wiggling around in this hole. I have to say that it's about 40 degrees maybe in this room, so I could be getting some of these measurements off. But all in all, I have to say, for $8.99, a 7-piece set, it's pretty accurate for the sizes you get. It's worth $8.99. So I'd say go ahead and get it if you're looking to get something cheap. I don't know how long it's going to last. I'll try to keep you updated on it, but I think for what I want to use it for, it should be just fine. So, thanks for watching.